Hi, it's Callum with Group 8 WashWOW Vibration Isolation Springs that will have you saying wow every time you use them. It's like a spring, it's like a damper. It's a passive vibration isolation solution for all your vibration needs.
This is for the washing machine, the industrial grade sifter, seismic isolation of buildings and bridges, and of course, the MECH3200 practical apparatus. Spinning motors in these machines cause considerable vibrations to be transmitted to their mountings and the frame containing them. These can cause excess wear on the joints and the machine itself, as well as generating excess noise. Vibrations can even travel to nearby objects, causing unnecessary loading on sensitive components in the area.
These vibrations can be isolated to just the vibrating component by swapping out the rigid connections. Just chuck in some of these brand new cutting edge WashWOW vibration isolators. Take your home washing machine for example.
Are you tired of finding your home in a state like this? Is the transmission of vibrations rocking your world? Just install our new Miracle Springs here and here.
These springs will take the vibration so that your house doesn't have to. Don't believe me? Our team over at Group 8 Labs has clinically predicted the effects of adding springs to this washing machine.
Our state-of-the-art mechanical engineering system takes in the kinetic and potential energies of the components. It then processes them through the most cutting-edge Lagrange equations to produce these revolutionary equations of motion.
Processing in MATLAB has shown that you get not just one, but two natural frequencies at 13 Hz and 500 Hz. You get low sway, you get high sway, you get decoupled bounce, you get spring loads of value. Get one for the washing machine, get one for the car, get one okay, I'll just go again. Get one for the washing machine, get one for the car, get one for the TV. Christmas just around the corner, the family's gonna love these. Order now and you'll get not just one, not just two, but 37 WashWOW springs for the price of one. We're practically giving them away. Still not sure what the WashWOW can do for your washing machine? Here's the simulation in action.
We cut no corners in the simulation of your home washing machine. You want only the best in mechanical simulation systems. That's why you choose MATLAB's Simulink library, Sim Mechanics. With Sim Mechanics, we can use the AutoCAD models in simulation without even putting in any effort. 50% of your simulation, right there. Look, virtually indistinguishable from reality. For a stiff spring like you probably have at home, the vibrations can be excessive and extremely dangerous. Stop putting your kids in danger. Stop threatening your friends. Don't be such a reckless monster and invest in some WashWOW springs today. If you don't even have springs, you'll probably be watching this from your hospital ward. Want to put an end to the madness? Want your neighbors to be thanking you for keeping it down when washing your clothes late at night? Here's what happens when our space-age springs are swapped in for the run-of-the-mill metal coils you probably have in there. With our new softer springs, the vibrations practically disappear. There's no point crying over spilt vibrations. Just soak it all up with these WashWOW isolators.
This lasts 10 whole years. This just lasts 10 days. Look, it sells itself. It's made in Germany. You know the Germans make good stuff, but don't take my word for it.
I can't live without it. I just love it. You'd have to be out of your mind to not own one of these.
So all I can say is WashWOW.
To get your WashWOW today, just call 3200 491 634 912 356 891 444.
But I don't know how to change a spring.
Let me show you how. Lift up this end of the drum and slide out the rod. Just unscrew the old spring and screw your new one on. It's that simple. And that's it. A fun activity you can do with the whole family. We cut out these viewing windows so that you can see the vibration. We took the lid off as well. Look, the vibrations are right here. I know what you're going to say. They're too small to see. Wrong. We put on 6 of these MPU 6050s. They take 16-bit acceleration readings. And look, let's do this in real time. The readings change on the fly as I move the drum. You rolling, camera guy? We've got 2 on each side of the drum, measuring low and high sway vibrations at the same time. We've got more accelerometers on the frame to measure vibration transmission. If it's vibrating, we're measuring it. But look at this. This little guy can only talk to one address at a time. Big problem, huh? Not when you have the new Adafruit multiplexer. That lets the Arduino talk to every sensor individually. No more group conversations. It gets a private one-on-one with every sensor. Not only that, what about speed? Sure, you could go out and buy an expensive tachometer, but why should you? Let me show you a little trick. See this? This is an infrared sensor. It ticks when you get too close to it. This material blocks the sensor once every revolution and lets you tell the speed of the turn. No complex maths or calibration required. Just wave and record.
Wave and record.
This is the demonstration with the original springs. Just look at the carnage. I don't know how this thing is still going with vibrations like that. Change to the slick, cool WashWOW, however, and your vibrations will be isolated to just the drum. Let's talk isolation. When you're spinning your clothes, you want to spin fast. Push all that water right out of there.
If you don't want your frame to vibrate along with your drum, you want those natural frequencies as far away from the operating speed as possible. It's that simple. Just put in some soft springs, push those natural frequencies all the way down, and bam, vibrations isolated.
The results from the accelerometers tell the same story. If we grab the vibrations against forcing frequency, we can see that the original springs have a natural frequency at 470 RPM. Now that's okay, if this is your first time seeing a washing machine. But why not make the change today? Your natural frequency could drop to as low as 350 RPM. The operating speed of 700 RPM is much further away now. If there was any doubt left in your mind, let's look specifically at the vibration transmitted to the frame for the 2 cases. Your washing machine frames will be thanking you. This one had its vibrations decreased by 70%. What are you still waiting for? Pick up that phone, call now, and we'll throw in this set of steak knives absolutely free.
Still not convinced? You can even throw sick parties with your new kitted out washing machine.
Con los terroristas.
In the simulation, only a tiny amount of damping was needed. This allows the effects of the springs to show through the most. In a real machine, the system has non-linear damping caused by this amazing marine grease. Order now and we'll throw in 2 bottles of this sticky, hard to get off goo. If you order and after a week still don't like it, we'll pay you to return it because we know we could sell it for more if we wanted to. Call this number now. Get 10 free. Only today. Only 200 left. Call in the next 40 seconds and we'll give you all 200 of them. Then you'll have them all to yourself. Everyone will want to be friends with you. You'll achieve your wildest dreams. You'll make millions in days. Live the life you always wanted to live. You'll move out of your mum's basement. Your dad will talk to you again. We couldn't say it on TV if it wasn't true. So what are you waiting for? Get the WashWOW today!